Right now, a lot of the country is also feeling these frigid temperatures. Heavy snow and strong winds are creating chaos in the Midwest, while the Northeast is bracing for today's impact.
Jared Hill shows us thousands of flights have already been canceled or delayed, stranding many from their Christmas destination.
Pre-holiday headaches as a historic winter storm bears down on much of the country. Frigid temperatures in Texas led to power outages, leaving some residents in the dark on the coldest day of the season so far.
I'm really glad that I have a fireplace because otherwise I'd be freezing right now.
Heavy snow and wind squalls blasted through the Midwest, causing many shoppers in Indiana to make a mad dash to the stores for last-minute groceries and propane tanks to keep warm.
It's always the first snow that freaks people out.
The icy conditions have wreaked havoc on Christmas travel plans for the millions who are hitting the roads.
Like even in the areas that have been plowed really well, if you get above 40 miles an hour, you start sliding around.
And also those hitting the skies, with more than 12,000 flights canceled or delayed Thursday, according to FlightAware. Chicago's O'Hare Airport was one of the hardest hit.
I have this insane itinerary now. It's been a little nerve-wracking.
AAA estimates that as many as 7 million Americans will crowd into the nation's airports this holiday season, but they can expect flight disruptions to continue as the storm moves eastward. Even after the storm passes, the severe cold freezing throughout much of the country could slow down the airline's recovery plans for days. Jared Hill, CBS News, New York.